The journal, Annals of Surgical Oncology, has truly grown enormously over the last 25 years, from a startup effort to what is now the largest and most prestigious journal in the specialty of surgical oncology that encompasses cancer surgery and multidisciplinary cancer care from around the world, the latest and best in all of the advances in surgical oncology and multidisciplinary care. The home for that is Annals of Surgical Oncology, and that's due to the efforts of Dr. Balch over the years.
I never imagined at the beginning that after 25 years it would be one of the leading surgical journals in the world.
And so I think what you've seen over time is that the Annals has broadened its scope. We get not just articles from the meeting, which we have always gotten, but people want to send their work there even outside the meeting because they know it will be widely read. And it's a place where surgical oncologists or just surgeons treating cancer patients can go to get up-to-date, state-of-the-art information. So I think the Annals is an enormous success story, and the credit for that really goes to Charles Balch.
The Annals of Surgical Oncology actually has articles for everybody. It has basic science articles if that's your area of expertise, but it can have some articles about very rare cancers, but it also can have very general articles and articles that pertain to changing practice. And because of the fact that they have articles pertaining to changing practice, that's what makes it very applicable to surgical oncologists or general surgeons in the community.
The worldwide perception of Annals of Surgical Oncology is that it is the premier journal in the specialty. It is the home for all of the best science and clinical advances to be published from around the world in every subspecialty that encounters cancer.
Well, the journal has grown internationally, in part and in parallel with the Society of Surgical Oncology Leadership, which is purposed to be a global society for surgical oncologists around the world. No other society in the world has taken on the leadership role on the global stage like the SSO. And so too, in parallel, the journal has purposed to be a global journal.
The Annals of Surgical Oncology is a journal that I routinely read. It's really the one journal that I'm continuously looking at. I think that the quality of the articles and the research that's presented in that journal is very high. It's really evolved over time.
It is the home for every subspecialty that touches cancer, and it will only continue to get stronger and get better and have newer and more innovative content for our readership.